Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, man. Good morning. Yeah, man. Good morning, YouTubers. Yeah, man. The voice of Bedmiller. Yeah, man. The voice of Bedmiller. Why me I tell us, boy? God know. The man take my sports thing serious, you know, man. Especially Olympics, you know. The man take this Olympics thing as serious for the levels, you know. And the way I feel, boy, from yesterday 100-meter finals, I know me still hurt. Me still hurt in a sense, you know. The way how the 100-meter pencil out to be, you know, brother. Boy, I tell you, say, I say big up. Yeah, man. Big up Kishan Thompson. Big up to me general. Because you know, say, are your first big event are your first big event. Because you never won the World Games, and so are your first big event that at what you are 23-year-old. Are your first big race that. I know, say, enough people say, boy, you know, say, boy, you're going to learn from your first experience and this thing. You know, see, because I want that to prove to the Jamaican people about the country in America. You see the country in America, you have good and bad in America, you know. Yeah, man. But anytime you find a small, we Jamaicans have to feel proud. If you know, say, for the past 20 years, America, because of we dominate track and field, America no. Don't have nobody on the medal podium. I just know them go have two person. You see where them get hype now and they mock we Jamaicans. Talk about Usain Bolt is not winning anymore. Them have the world fastest man now. And that's it. And it's a boy when they call. Can you hear me now, brother? It's a boy when they call Niles. Why you want to name Niles and know why you want to name what win the race yesterday? You know, see it. This a youth want be a wannabe Usain Bolt. Every time they touch the track, they call it Usain Bolt name. That's what I'm telling you, Jamaica say. The sports thing I want serious thing. Olympics. From before me a boy, I hear about Olympics, you know. I watch Olympics race from 1976, you know, 100-meter final, you know. When Dan Coy come second, you know, man, he has the crown for about Trinidad, when we win, you know. I watch every Olympic final since then time until now, you know. And when you come on to Olympics and track and field, I go like I'm the only vlogger who the talk at Jamaica say Usain Bolt become a national hero at Jamaica. We are crying out for Bolt right now. We want a Bolt. We hope that Kishan can just come back and just carry the fight for the Jamaican people. Because they want a man go freeze up in the finals and all them sitting there and catch stage fight, and that with the boy name, know how we want one name. But the big occasion in June semi-final no matter, man, at the final, you know. Una chat about you know what lies and what you want name. Anytime a man, come and tell you something, brother, anytime a man can win Olympic final and beat in chest and cross the line. And they come talk about great athlete, you hear me? I won 9.6 at. We can win an Olympic final in a seat and celebrate. When both companies seen and when both celebrate in the Olympic final at Beijing 2008. Now for them never really like it. They say both show both too much. And both, yeah man, when both didn't think, when both start out, they never did like how both when they behave. But look how this youth behave now. And they praise him the most way. Because one of the Jamaicans, if you know, so when you come on to track and field, in a seat, sprinting, America behave like them are the best in all time. In about man and woman. In a seat. So like how we not going nothing now, it's a peer mark them a mark with Jamaicans now. Because sure we can when they say another one bite the dust. Enough of them people there, enough of them black, some of them black American people in America, they don't like we black Jamaican people. And we black Jamaican people, we are black people at there Jamaica, different from some of them black people in America there. That's why I say me now, me never go to America yet. Who want to go to America fine, I can't go to America living a life and making the money. Good about it. But me love me Jamaica, me different Jamaica. That's our political leaders, them now do nothing for sports when they come on at the grassroots levels. We are crying for the next Usain Bolt, brother. Me watch Olympics from your boy. When I see a man win Olympics, anytime a man can win Olympics and beat in chess before he cross the finishing line, I say you can talk about great man. Look how the race was close yesterday. Eh? Look how the race did close yesterday, brother. Eh? Almost seconds for you to divide to find the winner. When both are win race, Olympics. When both winning first goal, the man beat in chess and celebrate. When man saying because we watch an interview, you know, I saw anything after about the talk, you know. When both saying look across and can't say I saw fine, you know. And you see it because both can't look so. Because nobody not against him. I want to know, you shall never see another Usain Bolt as long as you live. You want to be an American boy. You American boy who want to be like Usain Bolt. Where you can win Olympics and beat a chess cross finishing line in a seat. Where you can, because right now, they say you win. They say Thompson win. It was so close. So you're not still the fastest man in the world, man, out. Where you can run left Thompson and beat a chess. You're a great athlete. You want to be Usain Bolt. Every time you go up and truck, you want to be like, I want to be a Usain Bolt thing. Because you're going to make money out of track and field, you know. Because you have for them poster boy, you know. Yes, no way. You're going to make your money where you can make. I hope Keshin does, Billy man does, humble and does come back for you. You're going to hold you again, brother. I just said that you first race, big race, and because you do quite a amount of big race already. Yeah, man. You see your hype, because you're full of hype. As some people are going to like you, but you swing off of them things and them start big you up. You're the most popular youth right now because you talk about the NBA man them and then come to see you lose and you win. Because they go gear it. No cure because the race closed, but they want. Is that thing coming like it's coming like a thing they want as a youth, yeah? Track and field is so boring. They want a new somebody like Usain Bolt to boost up them sports. That's why they push the youth and name lies. But you can't be like both my youth. You cannot be like, because not enough your life you can't run 9.58. You can't run 9.6. And them boots you up until you have this Jamaican. Big up to Shatter. Yeah, man. Big up to Shatter. Let me say big up. I know Shatter from Junior Bloom film for India States and so forth. So, I not touch upon that topic there. On a level. That's one different story, brother. But I tell you know what you want to name. Wanna be Usain Bolt. And when American vloggers that chat about this and a chat about that, but Usain Bolt not doing it anymore. Usain Bolt not doing it anymore. Wanna be the fastest human being. As long as I can't do about though. No man from Mr. Bolt win Beijing Olympics and beat in chess. Mr. Bolt forget hero. No man ever win Olympic race and beat in chess. Every man when they win Olympic 100-meter final, they run to the fullest, to the full tilt. They run the heart and soul out. No man ever cross an Olympic finishing line and beat in chess and look and start when I talk about Usain Bolt and show about good for the sports and this and that. I'm out a thing try for to see on the test board left, right and center. When you see the American, I yesterday time I hate America, when they come on to track and field, when they come on to sports, especially track and field, me Americans are friend in my youth. Who want friend them, because them feel like they my best in everything, I say they want control people, You know see it? Because me not touch politics part of it, That's why Michael Mullen stand up against them, You think American country one is a countryman, You see they start mocking the Jamaicans athlete and start mock and start jeering because the thing they like when both dominate the thing. Actually, they couldn't do better than swing it both and both coming in stiff in different style and both set peer record. This a boy now set no record and the boy broke no record yet. In a seat. And 9.79 the boy doing in the final. You know, do no 9.6. All about Olympic, most about Olympic winning them in a seat. And 9.6 both though. See, this a boy one name Noah and lies when you want name. I found a year, I found a star, but nothing compared to Usain Bolt. You hear me? You see it now, Jamaica. I'm the only vlogger that chats about to get national hero. It's a shame and disgrace if you know so the parish the man come from. We don't have an official one in track at Trelawney. The two political parties don't name no significant billionaire for the youth. Both PMP and GLP don't name nothing significant. For sure, the importance of both. It's not quiet for both no door. You know, gather, big up the people them I come from the place where times to come from. You know, gather yesterday with all the fanfare. And see what them you see it though, big up the people them still. You see what at them time the politicians start look for the people them and start looking for the people in place, you know. You know, see in the Olympics time because me I see the Colonel Charles boy down there. I talk certain things when I go do for the place because of the fame of the youth. But I know say Kishin, I know say you're young, and your first Olympics, and I know say you're going to come back. It's Jamaican people, you see it? You better pack up and come back very hard. It's so important Olympics is doing. It's so important sport is doing. Eh? It's so important this sports thing is doing. When we start investing in youth in sports, brother. Because you say when we used to go to school, you say, I know that John Barnes and them they make so much money with that sports. I don't take football more serious. And when I left school, I know that John Barnes and the footballer is a profession. They can make a living off of. I never did know them sitting there. Because I there in school, at school, I pay doctors and lawyers, then tell us, you want to become. Because them feel say I pay don't spit and pay pitting and brain play sports. I pay and only play sports. But now it's what significant sports is in the world right now. Eh? Till I find sportsmen who want to make more money than doctors and lawyers and all them sitting there. Because who make money like both. And this is a boy, when him lies and no. He's going to be one of the richest. He's going to make some money. Because both style him follow, you know. A both show about him in take up, you know. Both different from him in a different level, you know. Because both the hype and bossy like him. And when both touch upon the world scene, both a pay record both set. Anytime the boy start world record, when they can talk to I and I. But Usain Bolt not winning anymore. We proud of Usain Bolt, and Usain Bolt is my hero. I'm the only vlogger in Jamaica that talks that Usain Bolt will get national hero in our country. The national stadium for name for Usain Bolt. Because when I cry for Usain Bolt now, for quiet my American boy. God, man, God, I said, man, you me feel last yesterday, man. I not go nowhere, man, you. I not go nowhere after the Olympic, after the race, man. I want to go night league. Because Brimal called me and said, boy, all the match I not go nowhere last night. I not go nowhere, man, you. Because I vex. The thing I vex, Americans, certain people in America, they don't like us Jamaicans. So when them black American people who know Jamaica want to follow them lifestyle, and then dirty lifestyle, I tell you, in a certain levels. You have good black people in America, you know. You have good people in America on certain levels, you know. We have some of them over there in the seat. So they take the social media yesterday and start mock Jamaican. They mock the woman them and them mock. Because only thing I say at the first Olympic race we see run, 100 meter run, and the commentator them say, in the seat, declare the winner. Because all of the commentator them, when they commentate on the race, them say, you see it, Akishi in winning. And now if you go here, say, boy, this a boy, this a wannabe Usain Bolt boy. And lies, as long as I live my youth, anything you can run 9.5 years, you can talk to me. And lies, anything you can win an Olympic final and beat a chest like Bolt, you can chat to me. Because when Bolt come on the scene and start doing things in the seat, them look at people control the world athletics and so forth. But they speak out against it. Say Bolt a show about too much. And who a show about like a boy? Eh? So all the people in America, all the black American, all the white American people on the face, Usain Bolt are the fastest human being ever. And anytime the boy can win an Olympic final and beat in chess. Because none about Olympic victory them. Never so close. Till everybody else says here, and the Jamaican boy win it. So convincingly, you're not the fastest man in the world, man, yo, because I know you do not, you're something there. And your best time you ever do. This is your best time you ever do. And Kishen do 9.77 at the Jamaican trials. See, in a fast like I just show the youth young and the thing and then go learn. Wait until you hold again. You see American people, it take 20 years, you know. We get a medal, you know, in the 100 meter, you know. In a seat. You know, take Jamaica not so long. It don't take Jamaica not so long. Because when I get in a Tokyo in a 2021, and it take you 3 years now, I will dip on the podium again. Dip on the podium again. Big up Fana. Big up Kishin coach. Yeah man. Big up the coach of Kishin brother. And big up Glenn Mills same way. You know, continue to work with the youths them. Because the Jamaican government they handle a mind speech. A mind speech. They handle nothing at all for sports. The two political parties, them, PMP and GLP, they handle nothing at all at the grassroots levels. Because we can see it in the mind community. You want to deal with the sports places them. Usain Bolt come out of Trelawney and now Trelawney youth him can't run for an official running track. And every America you go, you can't have official running track for the kids them. Or one of the free sports. Eh? What them say? They say Usain Bolt not running anymore. Them say Usain Bolt not running anymore because I'm glad. You never can see another Usain Bolt. As long as them live on earth. Yeah. Because same like how Flo Joe do him thing. We all not talk about Flo Joe. We all know certain time over the time of the drugs time and so on. Look on Flo Joe time. Nobody can beat, none of the girls can beat that. You know see it. At that they want night you come to know set record now nobody can. No can beat. Anytime the boy can run 9 point I want big and then can run 9.58. When they can't talk to me. He go dominate, you know. He go dominate this Olympics. Because England get a 3 gold medal, even 4, because I say I run 4x4. Because he was hype. I mean, he was in hype, he's not doing him talk a lot, and everybody nobody like him, but him gain popularity one. That they want. And that good for something there, for the sports, for the track and field right now. And that them people I want. Me go close by saying, you see the World Athletics, they come like the World Health Organization. They are prize in such a way. Yeah man. I don't want to talk certain things to post up on my status. You know. No, on my YouTube channel. They talk certain things, they in a seat. Then go block it and all. So I don't debate on certain things. But you see the World Athletics, they want a poster boy. They want a boy to draw them crowd to make them money. Because when they say they can't stop Bolt, they use Bolt to make them money when they come on to Olympics time and World Athletics time. Because remember back in the days, 4x4 is to close Olympics. When Bolt up on top, a 4x1 close Olympics and close World Games. Because they use Bolt. They use Bolt to make them money and market them thing and push them track and field. Now they find it's a boy, you know, America. Because they will want him to win it. So Jamaica, no matter no one say, when you buy blood and protest, they go give me, because they want a poster boy for them thing, you know, because track and field boring. From both lefty, he was dead. And it's a boy that they try to, this a wannabe Usain Bolt. As long as you live with you, man, you can do what you want to, get all the Jamaican girls where you want to get found at Jamaica and do what you want to and parade and do your thing and show off on Jamaica. And rub it in the Jamaican people in face, because Jamaican people don't know themselves. We don't have greatness, they don't appreciate greatness. Them bad man Usain Bolt so much, and them, we don't have great athlete, no, we don't have ball off a Bolt. We don't have ball off a Bolt right now, because Bolt never fail us yet. I'm the only vlogger. I'm the only vlogger can boast. I'm the only vlogger that speak out say Usain Bolt forget national hero at Jamaica, my youth. You will forget national, the highest honor at Jamaica for wind up for sports. You know, see it? Because Olympics, when the men's Olympic final run, the whole world stands still. I go like the most watch event. And Usain Bolt win it 3 consecutive times. Surpass Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis Uncle win it 2 times. I rob them and give them Ben Johnson run left in right to George. I mean, you see, and certain things. A long time with Jamaican talent, and now me prove and but me so hurt so much. I know me hurt, you know. Me hurt, I know me hurt, you know. But me speak up my anger, you know. So you want to know lies over your one name. You wanna be Usain Bolt. Every time you run, you talk you want to beat Usain Bolt. That's if you do. When you can block Usain Bolt, because you can't talk to me. But for now, Usain Bolt is the fastest. Because he's still alive, he's not dead. He's the fastest man in the world. Not because he's not run, he's the fastest man in the world. That. I don't know, take that from both American bloggers, American people in America. You see it? America, mother and Sodom and Gomorrah. Because I read my Bible, I know what is America is. That's why I don't want to live at them place there. I stay at farm with half on the beach and live my life and make my money. I start make my money now, I just know to spend my money. Because no one want to be Americans. You see it? I know me know Americans, some Americans don't like us Jamaicans. Because we are like a small country. They're beaten up in a track and field. And nobody like that. All now go on. When somebody Usain Bolt wagonist. Because now put this boy like him in a seat. We until when time Usain Bolt in a seat. Left this earth, yeah? Usain Bolt still remain the fastest human being and the fastest man in the world. The fastest man in the world is Usain St. Leo Bolt. In a seat, come from Sherwood, Trelawney. So on American, I not even want to watch the Olympics. I not even watch because Shelley and Sherika can't run. Because I know say for the rest of the track, I know say not going to dominate it. I not even want to watch anymore the race them. I not even do me vex, I don't want to watch anymore. But only thing I tell the Jamaican people, we don't have a hero. We have to honor the hero and show the hero respect. Usain Bolt get national hero in a seat. Official running track. Even as possible, every parish in Jamaica supposed to have an official running track. They want for the kids them. Official running track. Because we have 4 counties. Each of the counties have official sports complex they can have running pan and so forth. As much as possible, investor can invest in a sports complex and put an official running track so man can start on a grassroots level. When we take sports serious, it's on the feel now though. It's on Jamaican feel now though. Because we know say we win the race, you know. And it was close, you know. And it's wanna be Usain Bolt boy or them hype them up. What Usain Bolt do in cannot achieve. So I never can't talk about Bolt. That's why I say Bolt are the first athlete make an American when Gatlin bow to Usain Bolt. When Gatlin bow to Bolt, and that me I tell you, Usain Bolt get national hero at Jamaica, man, youth. A statue of Usain Bolt to put over nib. That you say me can't see it. If William the by school name, if change, William if change from William to Usain Bolt High School. You know see, because I still have a school and a slave master. You know see it. I'm gonna be something you know want vex with me and nib. At the Baptist Union want vex with me, and if school no want give me no work because me tell you say because I even from 2015 me burn fire upon nib, them start give me certain work. I mean not survive see me without working for nib. That's why I come all link up on the day, I don't feel the vibes. I just come there with those interviews so my bird name and cut. Nib school name will change to Usain Bolt High School. Same like you have Donald Corey High School and Merlin at the high school. Nib change and sports complex to put over Nib in a hand of Bolt. Because you them say, the Americans them say, Usain Bolt not running anymore. When have a hero and a icon and no significant building anymore for the youth. When you take on the track and when you take a thing for joke thing, people take it serious. This boy going to make millions and millions out of sports with the hypeness. And that role athletics want for them thing. You don't know that. So they can cook up anything they want, a poster boy for them thing. And Liza a poster boy for them thing now. So who want to listen to this chat and share it? I speak the truth. And Liza them boy now when they can market and pulling people in them big Olympics and them big World Games. And that them used to use Bolt for. That's when both went done, when both went away, both you won again. And go back at the World Games and everybody and get him beat the fan. But everything have your wise purpose. Because when time Gatlin beat him, Gatlin bow down to him, you know, see it. Bow down to him. Them set the thing finals to win the thing. That's why they put him far away from cashing. That cashing couldn't see him. You see it. And put. You see thing pencil out to the man. This a boy they want to be them poster boy. This a wannabe Usain Bolt. Every time he run, he's going to buck record. When you start buck Usain Bolt record, you can talk to me. You can be the fastest man in the world. So American people who run off on a bag of chattings, go away. No fun on a light Jamaica when you come on to track and field. Because we dominated for 20 years. And now, when you get it back now for a little while, on a run off on the mouth. When I mock the Jamaican people, when I mock the girls them and all them sitting there. But Jamaican people, when you know yourself, no fun no run up and down. I don't stop a man from America because yeah, man can love money, they see the money, then they can go make no money. You know see it? I don't stop a man from America and make a living a life and all them. But I come on to track and field and sports. Anytime a man can win an Olympics final and beat in chess and celebrate, you talk about greatness. Anything you can beat your chest. I don't talk if you use your chest and win a medal. Anytime, I don't talk if you use your chest and cross finishing line first. Anything you can cross finishing, you boy when him lie, me also vex to him hype you up and a big up. You boy when him lies and nice and Noah, anything you can beat your chest, so and win an Olympic final, you can chat to me. Un American can chat to me. Anytime a man can beat in chess and win an Olympic final, you can call him great. Great what? Boys known greatness. You say what the greatest man youth. Anytime you can win an Olympic, because I go end my chat right now because it gone long right now. But anytime you can win an Olympic final and beat your chest and cross the line, you can talk about greatness. You say about the greatest athlete Jamaica the world shall ever see. Actually, political leaders, them actually don't know Jamaican have to feel it in such a way and learn from certain things. They can only be one Usain Bolt. Not in the lifetime you can see a man do that. Not again you can. Look at the race was so close. Everybody tie up, everybody tie up. The man who come last won under 10 seconds. It's just in a normal race. Usain St. Leopold are the fastest man in the world. Because I'm still alive, see me. And I'm the only vlogger. So Usain Bolt to get national hero of Jamaica. Because I say Busterman to get to him, Busterman to alive. I mean, no really know what Busterman to do. So why Usain Bolt can't get it? Where a statue Usain Bolt can put up on him? And big up, I'm kind of becoming so the Caribbean cruise line people put up statue Bolt in the water square. And one figure on nib. And now a prominent sports place can name off a Bolt. They have the Kiwana James place in the state. When come from Grenada, the Kiwana James. Sports, athletics, Olympics time, I see what's time, brother. See what Jamaican feel now, though. We are clear for Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt make us I and I happy. And the man will get national hero. National award, the highest award. The man you would forget while he's alive. So, a man can say we have a living national hero. Because I say, if it is good, like you can get your Barbados for music. If Royana can get it for music, a Barbados. Come from Barbados. And we look about that. Usain Bolt not running anymore. Usain Bolt not running anymore. Usain Bolt not running anymore. That's for them slang America right now. When you get in a year, I'm not in a time, but I'm not touch upon that. But I vex, all me vex, it hurt me so much better. But only thing I say, anytime a man can win an Olympics race and beat in chess and cross the finishing line and broke world record, and that's called great. Anytime a man can beat in chess and I'm going to make this a winner. Feel me something there. I go end now, you know, because it's a one if I go up on the device of me bed me like go long enough, but I go do one for my status. I mean I do it long. So I go sign out, you know. Any man can beat in chess. I not talk for using chess and win a Olympic 100 meters. You can beat your chest and cross it. Then you can talk to me and say about greatness. I mean, don't talk. I do this one for the status right now. Yeah.